discuss about 10 endangered animals, and the first one is Indian elephant. The scientific name of Indian elephant is Elephas maximus indicus. With the population of 20 to 25,000, the height of elephants is about 6 to 11 feet with 5 tons of weight. They are found in Asia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Malaysia, and Nepal. India's elephant population is on brink of extinction because of forest clearing for roads and brutal training methods are all causing habitat loss and fragmentation. To protect them, people can make fences to circle the Indian elephants around them and leave fresh water inside the fence. And the second endangered animal is tiger. The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. The weight of this endangered animal is 220 to 660 pounds with the length of 6 to 10 feet. One of the world's largest and unique tiger population are found in the Sundarbans. But sadly, there are only 39 left. Only because of rising in the sea level caused climate change threaten the remaining habitat of this tiger population. According to WWF study, about a foot of 2070 would destroy nearly the entire Sundarbans tiger habitat. You can help to save these beautiful creatures by attending fundraising events for tigers and wildlife organizations, or you can spread awareness among people. And the third one is black spider monkey. Black spider monkey is also known as red-faced spider monkey, and they are found in areas of eastern South America, in areas of north of the Amazon River. They are the one of seventh species of spider monkeys found in Latin America. The destruction of tropical rainforest and threats from hunting affect negatively for the black spider monkey survival. No doubt about it, black spider monkey are an important creatures in the world. We must go into an action to protect these animals. We never want to disrupt their habitat. I strongly believe that it's time to step up and protect the endangered animals. Now we have our next endangered animal, and that is a green turtle. Scientific name for green turtle is Calenia midas. The weight of this species is 150 to 400 pounds with 31 to 47 inches of length. Habitats of green turtles is in the oceans. They are mainly found in the tropical and subtropical waters. Green turtles are classified as endangered because they are threatened by overharvesting of their eggs, hunting of adults, being caught in fishing gear, and loss of nesting near beaches. But you can make a positive difference for these green sea turtles, like turn out lights visible from the beach, reduce the amount of garbage you produce and clean up trash you see on the beaches. Be aware of sea turtle nesting areas and avoid nesting and hatching turtles, or you can reduce the amount of chemicals which you use. And the next animal is chimpanzee. The scientific name for chimpanzee is Pan troglodytes. They mostly found in the forest with a population of 1,72,700 to 2,99,700. In the forest of Central Africa, chimpanzees spend their days in the treetops. They are social animals and care for their offsprings. Humans share 98% of genes with chimpanzees, but because of brush meat as primary source of food in Central and West Africa, infant chimpanzees are frequently taken alive and sold in cities as pets. But if we conduct conservative outreach and education programs on the chimpanzees, we can protect them.
Now I am talking about sixth animal. The name of this animal is giant panda. The scientific name of giant panda is Eleuropoda melanolica. The population of panda is around 1,864 in wild. Panda bears can spend up to 10 to 12 hours a day feeding. They live in temperate mountain forests where bamboo stands are present. This species is native to China. They have very few natural enemies. Only jackals and leopards prey on adult pandas. Unfortunately, the panda is endangered. Poaching and habitat loss are the main reasons of their being endangered. The scientific name of whooping crane is Grus americana. These white birds are native to North America. They live in family groups, marshes, shallow lakes, and lagoons. The whooping crane is almost 150 centimeters tall and has a wingspan of about 210 centimeters. It is believed that the number of whooping crane is declined because of changing ecological conditions. These are generally safe from hunting and egg collection, which has changed their decline. Though the areas that are bird frequent are protected, they are isolated and make the entire population vulnerable to any disastrous ecological event or change. And the eighth animal is blue whale. Blue whale are the largest animal to have ever existed. Whales are the mammals belong to the cetacean species. The scientific name of blue whale is Balanoptera musculus. These are the largest animal on earth, weight up to 200 tons. There are two different kind of whales, the baleen whale and the toothed whale. The groups that whales travel in are called pods. Each pod can contain anywhere from 2 to 100 of whales. Blue whale are threatened by environmental change, including habitat loss and toxics. Blue whale can also be harmed by ship strikes and by becoming entangled in fishing gears. Now I am talking about the second last animal, snow leopard. The scientific name of snow leopard is Panthera onusia. Snow leopards are found in 12 countries, including China, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Russia, and Mongolia. But their population is dropping. Snow leopard inhabits the highest altitude. The snow leopard primarily live in arid, barren, and mountain areas. They are usually solitary and highly elusive. Snow leopards are vulnerable to extinction. Poaching and climate change poses perhaps the greatest long-term threat to snow leopards. They are often killed by local farmers because they prey on livestock such as sheep, goats, horses, and jackals. And the last endangered animal is Javan rhino. Javan rhino remains critically endangered list despite a population increase in recent years. The scientific name of Javan rhino is Rhinoceros sondicus. Javan rhino are estimated to have lifespan of about 30 to 45 years in the wild. Rhinoceros are critically endangered species with less than 30,000 rhino living in the wild today. Rhinoceros populations are declining due to the economic development, changes in the grassland composition, logging, agriculture degrade, and destroy wildlife habitat. Poaching driven by the consumer demand for rhino horn primarily in Asia poses the biggest threat to rhinos. So at last I would like to say that if an animal is endangered, there is a chance that they could disappear. Our goal is to look for the solution to save these species from extinction and protect our environment.
Thank you for watching our video.